Days. Every day. I drink a cup of coffee every day before work. Yesterday. I finished my homework yesterday evening. The other day. I saw your brother at the market the other day. Following day. He arrived on Monday, and the following day he started his new job. The next day. We watched a movie, and the next day we went for a long walk. The day before yesterday. It rained heavily the day before yesterday. The day after tomorrow. My flight to London is the day after tomorrow. Weekdays. The bank is only open on weekdays from Monday to Friday. Weekend. I love to relax and watch movies on the weekend. Monday. The work week usually begins on Monday. Tuesday. We have a team meeting every Tuesday morning. Wednesday. Wednesday is often called Hump Day because it is the middle of the week. Thursday. I need to go grocery shopping this Thursday. Friday. Everyone is excited because it is finally Friday. Saturday. We usually visit our grandparents on Saturday. Sunday. Most shops are closed or have short hours on Sunday. Months. Every month. I pay my internet bill every month. Last month. We went on a family vacation last month. Coming month. The new schedule will be released in the coming months. Next month. I am planning to move to a new apartment next month. Early months. The early months of the year are usually dedicated to planning. Summer months. It gets very humid here during the summer months. Cold months. You need a warm coat during the cold months. Hot months. Ice cream sales go up during the hot months. January. The new year starts in January. February. February is the shortest month of the year. March. The weather starts to get warmer in March. April. In many countries, it rains a lot in April. May. The flowers in the garden bloom in May. June. The longest day of the year occurs in June. July. July is usually the peak of summer vacation. August. Many schools are closed for holidays in August. September. Students go back to school in September. October. The leaves on the trees turn orange in October. November. The days get much shorter in November. December. People often exchange gifts in December.